Hey garden lovers, have your plants taken a serious hit from the summer heat and drought? Have the leaves dried up and the plants look helpless? Don't worry, today we have a real little trick from the kitchen that will give your vegetables and flowers the right dose of strength and help them rise again. In today's video, we will talk about the amazing natural feeding of plants using baking soda, garlic, and milk. Stay with us until the end to find out all the details about this mixture that can completely revive your garden. It is very important to provide plants with additional care and nutrition after stressful periods such as high temperatures and drought. Natural methods like this mixture that we will share today act not only as a fertilizer but also as a protective agent against fungi and pests. Baking soda is an amazing addition to the garden because it helps neutralize the pH of the soil, which helps plants absorb nutrients better. It also prevents the development of fungal diseases that can be fatal to plants that are already weakened. Garlic is a natural antibiotic and antifungal agent, which means it will protect your plants from many diseases and pests. Its aroma repels insects, while its active substances protect the root system. Milk is rich in calcium and other minerals that help plants recover. It helps strengthen plant cell walls, making them more resistant to damage. This combination is exactly what plants need after a hot summer, as it provides a balance between nutrition and protection. And now, what you've all been waiting for, the recipe. The ingredients are simple and you probably already have them in your kitchen. You will need 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 liter of milk. All you have to do is add all this to 10 liters of water and mix well. Let the mixture stand for a few minutes so that the ingredients are completely combined. When you have prepared the mixture, simply pour it into a sprinkler or watering can and apply it to the soil around the plants. You can also use it for foliar feeding. Lightly spray the leaves so that the plants absorb the nutrients directly. Well, dear gardeners, with this mixture, your plants will quickly come to their senses. Regular use of this mixture helps plants recover from stress and grow better, even when the weather is not going their way. Share with us in the comments how your plants reacted and if you notice any changes. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the subscribe button and share the video with your friends. Stay tuned for more natural gardening tips and tricks. See you next time, and until then, may your garden be healthy and lush.